All I know is that just need her. All I know is you just need her. All I know is we just need her. All I know is you just need her.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video of German Daily Z's. I hope you guys are all doing well. What's up? What's up? What's up, everybody? Today is another beautiful day outside. As you guys can see, it's another winter wonderland. Oh yeah. Snow, snow, snow everywhere. And the Z is covered. Oh, isn't it just wonderful out here? I mean, this is a brilliant time to slide and try the tires out once again, except for a longer drive, actually in the snow, which would be pretty interesting because I have never done that. So it'll be pretty fun. Woo! Oh, whoa! That's slippery. That is cold out there. So it's gonna be fun. So I'm glad you guys are here today, and I'm glad I'm actually up this kind of early. Usually I'm sleeping in, but it's out to go have fun today and test some new tires out. I'm gonna go drive through some wooded land area if I can, if the car would let me, without sliding and trying to kill me. Hope you guys are all doing well. See you guys down the road. How much we got? The Z is covered. There's Mazda. Of course, still. Alright, guys. So we just got done clearing the car off. Now, the thing is, trying to get the car to move again. So just gotta wait here a little bit till the windows defog. Well, guys, this ought to be fun. Go! It's going! Oh man. For now. Shit. Well, they did salt a little bit, so maybe that helps. ABS. I wonder how I can just get rid of that ABS shit. Come on, Prius. Go. Turn the lights on there. I don't care if there's any cars going. That's a terrible way. Holy crap, this wiper broken. A safer way. I do not trust these Z tires yet, so. Holy crap, thing looks like it's been through a can opener. Big plow truck, yeah, here. Why not? So, guys, hope you guys are all doing well. It's probably shaking. Yeah, it's shaking. Must be a bad setup then, hey? I have to record myself, if anything. So we got about 1,250 subs. Probably 1,260, give or take. But other than that, I mean, the channel's doing fine so well. Could use more views and more support and followers. But other than that, it's going good, I guess. A lot of people think, why is a sports car out here? It's all-wheel drive too, and I mean it's cheap, about the same price as the GTR for its price. For the V8 model, I'm not gonna go for V10 because I know I'm not really big. But there are, you know what I mean? If there's any sponsors out there, let's collab, guys. Got so much I want to do on my mind. I do donate to charity, as I said, for cancer and for helping animals out. So it's pretty much cool. And I do my own apparel, of course, so I get my merchandise out there. And I do a lot more stuff. I like doing fishing, like camping, hiking, all that neat outdoor stuff. I like to go to that kind of events. It'll be pretty awesome. Just gotta hook up with one of you guys. I know you guys are watching on YouTube and think, oh, it depends on the views and stuff. You know, it's just, I think it depends on how much somebody wants it and willing to go for it. I mean, I don't know. It's kind of like Damon from Daily Driven Exotics. I mean, however someone found him, I mean, it's pretty cool. His channel's big. I want to get just like him and Stradman and Parker. But I'm working my way up from the bottom up like Damon did. But I didn't start with a Colorado. I'm starting out with a 350Z. I mean, that's kind of bottom of the food chain a bit. But I guess it's going all right. Snow for November. Be good for those deer hunters out there. This guy can't even clear his own car off. And it's a Range Rover too. Oh my god. There's my father's house. four-wheelers or dirt bikes off in the distance. That looks sick. Okay. We're not gonna go off-road here. This is bumpy as hell. We gotta go back. Man, that was really ice. Beautiful when there's a lot of snow on the ground. Except you see a lot of garbage cans and junk like that. So we made it back safely. The roads were good. The tires handled very well. Hope you guys liked this video. Make sure you guys follow, like, and subscribe. Unlike most any other people, I went out just to drive and test my tires and have a little fun. So hope you guys liked this video. Once again, take care everybody. Hope you guys are all doing well. Make sure you guys follow, subscribe. Later.